Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best ketone strips is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone serious about achieving and maintaining ketosis, offering a simple yet effective way to monitor your body's fat-burning state right from the comfort of your home, ensuring you stay on track with your dietary goals and optimize your health and wellness journey. Number 5. Just Fitter Ketone Test Strips. Are you on a ketogenic diet? These strips are designed to accurately test your ketone levels. Get reliable results to track your progress. With 150 strips in each pack, you'll have plenty for consistent monitoring. This provides great value for your ketogenic journey. No more waiting around. You can get your results in just 15 seconds. This allows for quick and easy checks anytime. These are specifically made for ketosis testing. They help you understand if your body is in a fat-burning state. Using them is simple and straightforward. Just dip a strip, wait a few seconds, and compare the color to the chart. What we like? Get accurate results in just 15 seconds with this pack. It offers a generous 150 strips, ensuring you're well-equipped for consistent monitoring. If you're looking for a high-volume, reliable option for your keto journey, this is a great choice. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. I have been using these strips for a month now and have seen a significant improvement in my ketosis levels. The packaging is convenient and keeps the strips fresh. Number 4. Perfect Keto Ketone Test Strips Kit. Are you on a ketogenic diet? Easily monitor your ketone levels with our convenient test strips. Achieve your health goals with confidence. Track your progress on your low-carb journey. These strips provide a simple way to check if you're in ketosis. Stay on track with your diet. Use these as your go-to keto diet tracker. They offer a reliable method for urine testing. Understand your body's response to the diet. Get a generous supply with 100 test strips in each kit. This ensures you have plenty for consistent monitoring. It's a great value for your wellness routine. Testing is straightforward and requires only a urine sample. Get accurate results quickly and easily. Integrate this simple step into your daily health checks. These strips are designed to support your ketogenic lifestyle. They help you stay informed about your body's metabolic state. Make informed decisions about your diet and health. What we like? This option provides a comprehensive kit for tracking your progress. With 100 strips, it's designed for effective monitoring on your low-carb diet. If you appreciate having a dedicated tracker to help you stay on course, consider this for your needs. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. I have been using these strips for a month now and have seen a significant improvement in my ketosis levels. The strips are very sensitive and can detect even small amounts of ketones. Number 3. TRUEplus Ketone Test Strips. Monitor your ketone levels with ease using these reliable test strips. They provide accurate results for your health tracking needs. Perfect for those following a low-carb diet or managing diabetes. These strips help you stay on track with your health goals. Performing a urinalysis is straightforward with these sticks. Get clear insights into your body's status quickly and efficiently. Each pack contains 100 test strips, offering great value and convenience. You'll have plenty for regular monitoring. Ensure you're making informed decisions about your health. These are a trusted tool for anyone monitoring their well-being. What we like? These strips are specifically designed for both low-carb dieters and individuals managing diabetes. Offering 100 counts, they provide a reliable way to monitor ketone levels. If you fall into either of these categories and need dual-purpose testing, this is a suitable selection. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. I noticed a significant improvement in my ketosis levels after using these strips. The packaging is convenient and keeps the strips fresh. Number 2. Just Fitter Ketone Test Strips. Are you on a ketogenic diet? Our ketone test strips provide accurate results to help you monitor your progress. Get precise readings to stay on track with your health goals. No more waiting around for results. These strips deliver instant feedback in just 15 seconds. See your ketone levels quickly and easily, right when you need it. Testing your ketone levels has never been simpler. Just dip a strip, wait a few seconds, and compare the color. It's an effortless way to check your body's status. Effectively track your ketogenic diet with reliable testing. Understand how your body is responding to your diet and make informed adjustments. Achieve your wellness objectives with confidence. Choose Just Fitter for your ketosis testing needs. We are dedicated to providing you with reliable tools for your health journey. Trust us to help you succeed. What we like. Achieve precise ketosis readings within 15 seconds with this bundle. It includes 150 strips, offering excellent value and quantity for extended use. If you prioritize speed and a large supply for your ketogenic lifestyle, this product is a strong contender. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. I have been using these strips for a month now and have seen a significant improvement in my ketosis levels. The strips are very sensitive and can detect even small changes in ketone levels. Number 1. Nurse Hatty 150 Ketone Test Strip. Introducing the Nurse Hatty 150, the original ketone test strip designed for your ketogenic lifestyle. It's performance tested and proudly made in the USA. Easily track your progress with the convenient built-in color chart. Get accurate results right on the strip, making monitoring simple and effective. Unlock valuable resources with our free Keto ebook and companion app. They provide guidance and support to help you succeed on your diet. Whether you're following a ketogenic, ketosis, low-carb, Atkins, or paleo diet, these strips are designed to help you monitor your progress. The XL size ensures ease of use and handling. These strips are designed for your convenience, providing a comfortable testing experience. Experience the quality of USA-made products. These ketone test strips are crafted with precision and care for reliable performance. What we like. Experience performance tested, USA-made quality with a convenient built-in color chart. This pack comes with 150 strips and includes a free Keto ebook and app. If you value domestic production, easy interpretation, and bonus educational materials, this is the one for you. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate results. I like that the strips are individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh. The color chart is easy to read and understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.